Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the vehicle controls in my winter car. Let's begin by pressing the escape key. Once in the settings menu, choose vehicle controls. Here you can assign driving controls. For example, for the handbrake, I can click the space next to it and then press any key I would want to assign to the handbrake. I'll go with the space as it was by the default. You can also change shift up, shift down, all the gears, the reverse gear of course, the gearbox range. You can change the ACC, ignition, lights off, light spark, lights drive, high beam toggle, high beam flash, blinker left, blinker right, blinker return, whispers, wiper mode, washer and boost. Under assign tractor controls you can change the controls for arm 1 plus, 1 minus, 2 plus, 2 minus. And under settings you can toggle on or off the auto clutch, the H shifter. You can select the values for the brakes moving between 0 and 100. The same goes for throttles moving. The clutch brake point is also available to change, also goes from 0 to 100. Max wheel rotation goes from 0 to 1000. You can toggle on or off the steering help. With it turned on you can change the smoothing and high speed aid. Force feedback gives you the ability to change the multiplier of the force feedback of course, the clamp and toggling force invert. Here, once you are testing your controls, is the debug panel. Here you can see how the controls work exactly. After you make your changes, simply press resume. And that's it. Thank you for watching and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.